What is up, line dancers? Today we're going to learn a dance called Boots on the Ground. It's a super fun soul line dance, so make sure you put some soul into it when you're dancing it through and put in some flavor to make it your own. And this will be the tutorial video. We're going to learn the dance step by step in this video. If you're looking to dance to the song with music, I do have a separate video for that. The link should come up at the end of this video, so feel free to go do that if you're just looking to practice the dance. But we're going to learn the steps in this one, so let's get started. So we're going to start by swaying our body side to side, okay? I'm going to step onto the foot of whichever side we're moving towards so you can see where you're supposed to be, okay? So we're going to start first by swaying to the right, then to the left. Then we're going to go right, left, right, okay? So that's right, left, right, left, right, okay? If you're struggling with moving the body and the feet, just worry about the feet for now, okay? So right, left, right, left, right. Then we're going to alternate. Left, right, then left, right, left. Make sense? It's just opposite. So it's right, left, right, left, right, then left, right, left, right, left. The count for that is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time. Ready, go. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Moving on. Okay, this next part, it's going to be helpful for you if you say the word out loud, because we're going to point our foot in different directions. Starting with the front, okay? Your weight should be on your left foot. You're pointing your right foot forward. Then you're going to point that same foot side. Then you're going to point that same foot back. Then side again to the right. So it's front, side, back, side. That's where it helps if you say it. Say it with me. Front, side, back, side. Front, side, back, side. You should make sure that your weight is on your left foot the whole time. Don't step onto that right foot. Front, side, back, side. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to step onto this right foot, step forward, and then point our left foot out. Okay, your weight should still be on this right foot. You're pointing the left foot, and then you're going to step forward onto this left foot and point your right foot out. So again, you're going to step onto this right foot, point your left foot out, step onto the left foot, point the right foot out, okay? That's 5, 6, 7, 8. So that 8 count is, we're going to start pointing forward, point front, side, back, side, step, point, step, point. Again, touch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that all together. We're going to start swaying, okay? Ready, go. Sway right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Point forward, side, back, side, step, and step, point. Again. Sway right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Point front, side, back, side, step, point, step, point. If you don't have it yet, rewind it because we're moving on. After we did our step, point, this is where we're going to start moving a little bit, okay? We're going to rock forward on this right foot. Rock forward, recover onto this left foot. We're going to shuffle again. You know that right, left, right we did? We're going to do that, but while we do that, we're going to do a quarter turn and end up facing this way, quarter turn to the right. So we're going to rock forward, recover on the left, then right, left, right. Okay, so again, that's rock, recover, right, left, right. Okay, kind of use that momentum as you're stepping back onto this left foot. You're already coming this way. Keep going, right, left, right. Okay, that's rock 1, recover, 2, shuffle 3, and 4. Again, rock, recover, 3 and 4. Let's see if we can put that all together from the top. Ready, go. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Point, front, side, back, side, step, point, step, point. Then we rock and shuffle, quarter turn. Okay, your weight should be on your right foot. We're going to do a very similar movement on the other side, except instead of a quarter turn to the right, we're going to do a half turn to the left. Okay, so it's going to look like this. You're going to rock on your left foot forward, recover onto your right foot. We're turning this way this time, okay? We're going to go left, right, left. It's a half turn this time. So you're going to be facing the opposite from when you started that. Rock, recover, and left, right, left. Okay, so let's try that. Take it just from the rock, recover. So our weight's on our left foot. We're starting with the right one first. So we're going to go rock, recover, shuffle, quarter turn, left, rock, recover, shuffle, half turn. And those steps are left, right, left for the half turn. You should end up on that left foot. Again, just that 8 count. Ready, go. Rock 1, recover 2, shuffle, quarter turn, rock left, right, left. If you're getting confused at all there, it might be because you are going rock, recover, right, left, right, and then trying to step on this left foot right away. You don't. Your weight should still be on your right foot. Take this left foot, rock forward, recover, left, right, left. Okay, just that section again. Weights on the left foot. Ready, go. Right, left, right, step forward, recover, left, right, left. Okay, let's put it all together. Ready, go. Right, left, right, left, right. Point, front, side, back, side, step, point, rock 1, 2, 3, and 4, rock left, and shuffle, half turn. Yeah, we're almost done. One more time, in case anyone needs to practice again. Ready, go. Right, left, right, left, right, forward, side, back, side, step, point, rock, and shuffle, quarter turn, rock, and left, right, left. Okay, to finish out the dance, we're going to sway again, right, left. We're doing it twice this time, okay? And we're kind of walking forward as we do that if you have the space. So right, left, okay? And now, this is the part where they use a fan in the music video. I'm going to grab my fan. All right, I grabbed my fan. So you're supposed to sway to the right, left. Most people walk forward while they're doing that. So if you have space, it's right, left. Then you lean onto this left side, pop this right hip, shake your butt, whatever you want to do. If you have a fan, you can use the fan. If you want, just use your hand or do nothing. It's 4 hits, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? So do whatever you want. Make it your own for that section. Again, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, pop, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the top, 5, 6, ready to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Point, front, side, back, side, step, point, and rock, recover, shuffle, quarter turn, rock, recover, shuffle, half turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, pop, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? Now we do it facing this way. That's what line dancing is. We do it in every direction. So now let's try it facing this way. 5, 6, ready, go. Right, left, left, left. Point, front, side, back, side, step, point. Stop right there. Are we still there? All right. This is where we're going to maybe get a little bit confused with the turn. So let's take it slow. We're going to rock on our right foot, recover on our left foot. This is a quarter turn, so we're going to end up facing the front again. Shuffle, quarter turn, okay? So it's rock, recover, right, left, right. Now here we rock forward to the front wall. Rock with the left, recover on the right, and this is left, right, left. You should now be facing the back of your room. So it's right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Point, front, side, back, side, step, point, step, point. Rock, recover, shuffle quarter turn, rock, recover, shuffle half turn, walk 1, 2, 3, 4, pop 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So again, facing the back now. Let's see if we can do it twice in a row, okay? Twice in a row, so we're just gonna keep going when we finish the first time around. 5, 6, ready, go. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Point, front, side, back, side, step, point, step, point. Rock, recover, shuffle quarter turn, rock left, recover, shuffle half turn, walk 1, 2, 3, 4, pop 5, 6, 7, 8. I stopped because I remembered we're doing a turn, so we got to make sure we practice first. So the turn on this, okay? But let's start from the top and take it slow. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left, right, left, right, left. Point, side, back, side, step, point, step, point. Rock and shuffle quarter turn, rock and face the front. Stop right there. You should be facing the front now after that half turn. Okay, so we finish it out now. 1, 2, 3, 4, pop, 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 pop. And we're done. That's the whole thing. Let's see if we can go all the way 4 walls. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left, right, left, right, left. Point, front, side, back, side, step, point, step, point. Now we rock and quarter turn, rock and shuffle half turn, walk 1, 2, 3, 4, and pop, pop, pop. Start again. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Point, front, side, back, side, step, point, step, point. Now we rock and shuffle quarter turn, rock and shuffle half turn, walk 1, 2, 3, 4, pop 5, 6, 7. Start again. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Point, front, side, back, side, step, point, rock and shuffle quarter turn, rock and shuffle half turn, walk 1, 2, 3, 4, pop 5, 6, 7. Start again. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Point, front, side, back, side, step, point, and rock, recover, shuffle quarter turn, rock, recover, shuffle half turn, walk 1, 2, 3, 4, pop it 5, 6, 7, 8. If you didn't get it all the way, run it back to the beginning, do it over again, and then click the next video to practice it with music. Let's do it. Boots on the ground.